We're back at beautiful Lake Havasu, probably one of my favorite lakes ever right here. I love this lake. I don't know what it is about it. It's just the whole feeling of the place. We're gonna go ahead and try to find a couple beds.
I'm gonna break this world record. Called my boy last night. He's like, man, I said, okay, I said, next time you talk to me, I'm hoping to be a world record holder. I was like, yeah, man.
Yeah, that's what we're here for. Adrian hooks up.
Wait, hold the net flat.
Oh!
Hold the net flat. Hold the net flat and then I pull it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Dang. You did a triple backflip. Oh
That's
man,
actually a
that's a
pretty good
nice fish too. Your first bass of this year.
Bite's gonna be good today. This is a little football. Holy
Oh
cow.
man, that's a beauty. Are we keeping them in the live well for a picture?
If you want. Full of eggs.
Yeah, let's.
God, I need to weigh it
or
really
you want to
quick.
release it?
238.
238, not a bad one. for the
Yeah,
first
not
fish.
at all.
All right, we're on it. We've been out here 5 minutes. Nice, let's do it.
And that's a great start.
The first couple casts got a almost 3-pounder.
Like my
shallow?
5th cast.
Yeah. Yeah, so they're up shallow.
Super aggressive too.
We just got here today.
I got you.
Not elegant, but good little butterball.
That was a good catch. Now let's go see what's going on over here.
In this dang hotel room, they've got one light, that little thing, and it's all dark in here. They must not want people to stay up late here or something, or party or something, because that's like no light at all.
See you guys in the morning.
Yeah.
Bright and early, bass fishing.
We think we know where some bass beds are actually. I got a friend that told us, Jeremy. And my friend Jeremy said that he just fished a tournament out here and he said he found some bass on beds, but he had to go, so he told us where they're at. If they're there, we're gonna go check it out anyways, and that'd be cool to get some fish on some beds already, huh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try that out tomorrow. They didn't even want to focus.
Focus, Daniel son.
But we'll see you in the morning.
You guys ready to catch some fish?
I was born for that. Yeah.
Right.
There's some bass in that pool I did too.
Oh man, all last night the window's open. Did they take anything? Nah, I don't think they took anything. It's all good. There's honest people in Lake Havasu. Or nobody saw it, one or the other.
Yeah, probably nobody saw it. Right there, beautiful Lake Havasu. Like I said, my friend Jeremy told me where he saw some beds, so we're gonna go ahead and try to find a couple beds and maybe get on some more fish. We didn't even fish really hard yesterday, and about 5 casts in, I caught myself a pretty nice smallie. So we're gonna go ahead and try to do that again today, but catch more fish. What we're gonna do in big ones. If you guys don't know, these hats are for sale on www.cincinnatioutdoors.net. .com got bought out. Some dude tried to sell it to us for $10,000. We told him no, so .net now, but hats are up on there now. You ready to catch some fish though?
Oh yeah. I'm ready.
Oh, you gonna jump the boat? Cause yeah, I didn't pay attention, but yeah. So we're
all right. Let's go catch some fish.
tired of messing around. Let's go catch some big old Lake Havasu, largemouth bass and smallmouth bass, and maybe we're going south, right? Oh, I don't got the boat. Here's the channel. Just start doing that. I'll get everything ready. But big largemouth bass, smallmouth bass. We're gonna go south, I think, today, and maybe catch bluegill or two if we see them. If you guys ever been to Lake Havasu, down south is more along the lines like the same looking as all the lake, but if you go up north, it actually turns into like a whole bunch of reeds and everything. It's crazy. One of the really cool things about where we're from, you know, and all our whole Colorado River water system, is that the water is super clear. At times, you know, you can see probably 20-30 feet deep fairly easily on a sunny day a lot of times. So somebody hit their prop right there. It's on Doug at Big Channel. But a lot of states, they don't get, I guess, really clear water like we have over here. But like I was saying, when you go north on the lake, you start getting all these reeds and it starts turning like a swampish almost. Not swamp, but it turns real thick. A lot of weeds and it gets shallow and everything. So we're hoping that it's a little warmer down here. We went north yesterday and there wasn't much happening. So, I mean, we went south. I keep getting it mixed. We went south yesterday. Didn't see much, so we're gonna go ahead and try out over here. We're about to flip these.
And the water is so beautiful here. We spotted a school of bluegill over here. Let's see if Richie can get on one. You would think that it's an advantage being able to see them. I think it's worse because they see you. You come in these coves, they see you coming from a long way. You gotta cast far.
Senior got a bluegill on.
Finally.
Oh, geez, that's a bluegill.
Right there.
Hold on. Holy cow.
That's a bluegill. This
That's
ain't
big.
even close to how big they get, but check that out.
The world records come out of this lake, so.
Look at that thing.
Gosh dang, that's
Pretty big. Golly.
Time to get some more, huh?
Where's the pliers so I can get this guy? He swallowed it. I'm using a size 1 bass hook and he choked it all the way down. That's crazy.
Dang.
Need a net or are you good?
No, I got him.
Aiden just hooked up. Ooh, nice smallie. Watch my line right there. Look on this one.
Gosh dang. You don't want to.
Oh, he's a nice one. Yeah, just bolt this one. He should be good. Let's see. Oh yeah, he's a little 1.5, almost 2. Yeah, he's good looking fish.
Come on, little crawl, Texas rigged crawl. We'll go ahead and let him go.
Are you live well now for a picture?
Do you want to? Or
Yeah.
Go party with a bluegill.
Oh shoot, Richie.
Oh, good largie.
Come on, net man.
Yep.
Come on, net man. Don't mess this one up. That's Richie's PB. That's Richie's PB. Watch her. Don't put too much pressure. Your line sucks, Richie. Bring him, bring him, bring him. Yes!
Oh my god.
Richie.
Oh my god.
Richie.
Holy.
That's your PB. That's your PB right there. That's a 4-pounder. Oh my goodness. That's a 4-pounder. I'm surprised
weigh
your
this
line held up.
How do I win?
We got a scale. We'll bust up the scale. Let's see, hold them up. There you go. Hold them up towards the camera for a bit there. Heck yeah.
I gotta measure how long he is too.
How wait, let me see. How was he?
He's a 4.27 or 4.23.
Yeah, he's hitting like 4.2, yeah,
Yeah, about
4.23,
4.2,
4.25.
so 4.25.
Richie just busted a 4.25 fish right here.
Yeah.
Spinner bait, white spinner.
Here you go, Rich. You can measure him with this. Let me just
Dip that thing, yeah, it's hot.
There you go, bud. Fish slap.
Nice. Richie is on the board.
I was just talking about it
20
earlier
inches.
too.
20.
Yeah, 20 inches.
Oh my
All right.
god.
That's Richie's PB, 4.25.
Pig.
Beautiful. Man, that's a nice fish. Rich,
That was amazing.
Beautiful.
Our senior hooked up on a real nice bass. I'm gonna try to net him really quick. He's a little chunky dude. Just bring him up here. I'm trying to film right in the net.
I got him.
He's a chunky little dude. He's not very long, but he's chunky. A pre-spawn bass.
Oh yeah.
Oh, right what I was talking about. Like I was saying, down south, these reeds, these bass right now are hanging out on these first main water points and the secondary points.
Look at that. Nice.
That's a nice one.
He's going in the live well.
Another 2
we'll weigh
pound.
him, and then all these fish will be safe at the end of the day. We always catch and release. Look at that. And look at this big one Richie caught.
Oh yeah.
He's still going good.
Live well's looking good so far.
The goal is to get 14 pounds today. 14-pound sack.
We're on track. I'll tell you that.
14-pound minimum.
We got 3 and we've probably got 8 pounds now. So that makes, well, we still need 6 pounds. We need 2 3-pounders in.
Yeah, it's possible.
Yeah. Well, we'll see what happens. I still seen your fish.
Good. It's all good. He had mine in his mouth and Adrian cast it right after and it went in. He still went at it, but
just a super aggressive
this is a team
fish.
effort right here, so we're good. Look at this fish. He was so hungry that he exited the water. As I was reeling in, he exited the water. Huh?
Trying to chase it.
Yeah, he chased it and jumped. Wow, fat fish. Look at that. Let's throw him in the live well.
Live well fish.
Yeah.
No, nice female pre-spawns on.
Alright, this is crazy. Check this out, guys. Over here at Havasu, there's little streams, or not really streams, but there's little, what would you call this?
Little canal? Oh, there's bass.
There's little canals that go all through these weeds. And look at, there's fish. Very shallow.
They're not hungry right now though. They're not biting.
They're up here getting ready to spawn. They're not spawning yet. They're not biting anything. That's a 2-pound bass right there. And he's not biting anything. But we have an advantage because
Is it getting deeper?
this boat is a flat bottom.
Maybe
Literally
there's a
take
bed
it through
somewhere back
6
there.
inches of water if we need to.
Maybe he has a bed somewhere down here.
So we have an advantage. A lot of people won't take their bass boats back here because we have crossed 6 inches of water before. Look at that. It's amazing. Look at that bass. He's just going with us.
Is that his bed right there? How do you stop that?
No, he don't have a bed. He just wants to go back. He's scouting for a bed.
We've seen 2 nice sized largies already going back
Look at
here.
That's a party cove right there.
Mm-hmm.
So you take this little narrow path. There's a lot of them like this. Take this little narrow path. It's probably 2 feet deep right here. Come through and it opens up to a nice little cove. There is a monster bluegill. Yep, just let it sink. Let's see if we can get it on film. We're trying to get, it looks like 1.5 to 2 pound bluegill. Uh-oh, it's going up at it. It's going up at it.
I'm gonna take your safe off real quick, okay?
Yeah, yeah. Adrian's trying to
not
get him.
interested.
Richie's trying to get him.
He turned away from it. It's weird.
Look at,
Oh,
let's see that bobber run. Are we done fishing for the day?
yeah.
All right, we're gonna call it short. It's spring break. Richie's here from college. Adrian's on his spring break from college. So we cut the fishing short. We're gonna go check out the swimming area, go hang out, play some volleyball. That's a big fish. All right, so I got pictures of it. You guys, release time?
Yep. Time to release these.
We had a good time out here.
2 fat pre-spawn largies right here. Numero 1, number 2.
Let me see that big boy, Rich. That thing is.
No,
Hold on. Release that
Lumber,
one.
it's a small
Yeah, and then get some pictures of the big boy. Close that in. She's gonna. Here, let me see. You want another picture? Some good ones. Hold them up.
Stop flapping.
He's gonna beat you up. He got some spine.
Bluegill are mean fish to hold.
Oh grab him from his mouth. Can you get his
I'm
mouth?
trying.
Aiden's trying to get this bluegill, but it's kicking his butt. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Hold it out, funny. Let's get a couple pictures. All right, let's see. That's a nice blue right there. Look at that thing.
Yeah, Senior caught this one.
Oh yeah, that's a beauty. We're gonna let him go though.
There.
Oh, there he goes. He jumped out of Aiden's hand.
Got back to the hotel, we ate, we just relaxed pretty much, so we're gonna call this day. Tomorrow we're probably gonna get back out in the water for a little bit, I'm not too sure, but tomorrow we're leaving, and other than that, that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow.
So we're out here playing ping pong before we leave. Aiden thinks he's a champ because he was on the ping pong team at his high school. Oh.